Hey, you're watching Alexa, and in today's video, I am going to be swatching a bunch of Maybelline lipsticks. This isn't including anything that comes in a tube form, so none of the jolts or anything like that. These are just purely color sensational lipsticks, I believe. Before we get into the swatches, do me a favor please, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you enjoy lip swatch videos, and let me know in the comments down below which color you like, which color you don't like on me. I won't be offended. I am just looking for some feedback and I want to chat with you in the comments, girl. Alright, so let's get to it. First things first, I'm going to swatch each of these on my arm right before I do them on my lips so that you can see how they look in general. First lipstick I'm going to try is Stormy Sahara in number 945. It is a slightly warm-toned nude that leans a little bit like a light orange. On me, it wears like a, I guess like a peachy nude, if you will. Next we have Brown Blush, which is a slightly cool-toned, somewhat medium dark plum. I find it to work really well with my complexion because I am a little bit on the cooler side, especially in the winter months. And it's sort of a satin finish because it's not 100% matte, but it's definitely not kind of glossy feeling. Next we have Gone Greyish, which is obviously a play on words between beige and gray. It's definitely cool toned and it's in a kind of medium dark taupe shade range. It's another semi-matte finish and I think this was limited edition. Almond Rose is sort of a muted, warm-toned, mid-dark pink with a satin finish. It's a permanent lipstick in the collection. It is a little bit warm-toned for my taste. Next I have Lust for Blush. It is a pretty cool-toned medium pink and it's a little bit bright for my taste. I tend to prefer more muted cool-toned colors or maybe even deeper cool-toned colors as opposed to the ones that are on the lighter spectrum. Here we have Rebel Rose, which is a pretty cool-toned dark fuchsia with a semi-matte finish. This one is discontinued. This is exactly what I'm talking about when I say that I'm really able to wear cool tones. They just have to be deeper or muted and I'm all good. So I really love this shade. I find it super flattering on and I love it. Berry Bossy is another cool-toned dark berry with a matte satin finish that is discontinued from the same collection as the previous, and this shade would be so awesome if it went onto my lips evenly. I just feel like the application's a bit blotchy. I don't know if it's because it's been sat in my drawer for a while, but I'm not really digging. Dazzling Plum is a deep plum shade that is a shiny finish. It is not the most opaque lipstick, so I definitely recommend pairing it with a lip liner if you do not have pigmented lips. If you are a person of color with very pigmented lips, it looks really good on, super glam. Alright ladies, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe and you can follow me on Instagram at Alexa Likes. I'm on stories and I will chat with you on there. And I will see you in my next video real soon. Bye!